Hello, in front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to change the font size on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen on your watch, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel and then tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, select the display option, then scroll down and find the option called font size. Tap on it, and here we can adjust the font size by tapping on one of the options, and we have small, normal and large. If you select one of the options, the font will change, as you can see. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the font size on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.